Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can create a deep voice for your Instagram reels. So for that we are going to use Unraveled. It's a very powerful tool. For free account you can use 10,000 character. First on the left panel here you can see speech, voice, project and click on speech. Then just select text to speech. Okay, now here select the voice settings, 11 left multilingual one. Okay, now here you can select the deep voice from here. Just click on that and add on. This is American deep narration and we are going to use this for deep voice. Okay, for this we have to switch 11 left version 2. Okay, 11 left version 2. And now here put your script. Now click on generate.
Show quick snippets of stress relieving techniques.
Okay, our voice generated. Now for download, click on this button. This will download and it's downloaded. And after that you can use this voice for your Instagram reels. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.